Right now, as you watch this, a silent thief is sitting inside your mind. You cannot see it, but day by day, hour by hour, it is chipping away at your focus, your memory, and your intelligence. You often complain that you can't focus on a book anymore. You forget small details easily. You feel a constant mental fog clouding your thoughts. You tell yourself that you are just tired, but psychology reveals a much darker reality. You are accidentally destroying your own brain cells. Today, we expose the 3 ordinary habits that are slowly killing your IQ. Welcome to the brain drain. The first and most dangerous habit is the endless scrolling loop. Every time you swipe up on a short video, your brain gets a massive, unnatural hit of dopamine. You confuse this with entertainment, but your brain experiences it as trauma. By bombarding your mind with a new story every 15 seconds, you are literally shrinking your attention span. Your brain loses the ability to process deep, complex thoughts. You are training your mind to become shallow, reactive, and intellectually weak. You aren't relaxing, you are choking your intelligence. The second habit is chronic stress and overthinking. When you constantly worry about things you cannot control, your future, past mistakes, or what strangers think of you, your body releases a hormone called cortisol. High cortisol levels are toxic to the brain. It directly attacks the hippocampus, the exact region responsible for memory and learning. By living in a constant state of mental panic, you are physically shrinking your brain's capacity to think. Your worry isn't a shield, it is a slow poison. The final habit is becoming a pure consumer. Your brain is a muscle. What you don't use, you lose. When you spend your entire day passively absorbing information, watching lifestyle vlogs, scrolling through feeds, and listening to mindless noise, your brain goes into sleep mode. You stop creating, stop problem solving, and stop critical thinking. If you only feed your mind garbage data without ever using it to build something real, your IQ naturally degrades. You become a digital zombie, controlled by algorithms. The human brain possesses an incredible power called neuroplasticity. It can heal, rewrite, and rebuild itself, but you must stop the poison first. Put down the endless feed, step away from the useless worry, turn off the passive consumption. Challenge your mind, embrace the silence, and take your power back. If you're ready to stop the brain drain and decode your mind's true potential, hit the subscribe button.